think after the first book, what we realised was that perhaps some of the parishes would need something a little more structured. People want to kind of rush though. As soon as you start to say, well, let's do some evangelisation, it's sort of like, let's get going now. So one of the key things that we felt was we needed something that would give a good time of formation. And our experience from a pilot scheme that we did, we kind of cut the formation down to 4 meetings because we thought 6 meetings might be too much. The feedback was it was not enough. And so there's 8 formation meetings in this book, so that the team of people brought together as a parish evangelisation team are really beginning to understand what's happening within their parish from Pope Francis particularly, but also from Paul VI with Evangelii Nuntiandi to begin with, so that some of these great documents from the Church are being the basis to help people to understand we have a call to be missionary. It's a kind of a formation book, so it details right down to selecting a team, that there's pros and cons of just putting something in the newsletter saying, you know, do you want to be a part of this? And then it provides that opportunity to reflect. And so each of the formation meetings has scripture, it has prayer, it has got something from the documents. It provides that opportunity to think about their parish. So it focuses on lots and lots of different areas. Ideally, parish priests, key workers and the members of the team themselves. But a great deal of the material can be used by any group within a parish. Maybe not necessarily being formed as a parish evangelisation team, because it's focusing on relevant issues in the current climate within the church and within the world. So it can be used by other groups as well. The hardest bit, I think, probably was taking Laudato Si, the Pope's document, where most people just think it's all about creation, and trying to kind of say, no, this is about evangelisation as well. It's about what we do, and that was the hardest bit. And we actually acknowledge that in the book and say this was the hardest section of the book for us to write because of people's perception of that document. It's about the climate, it's about saving the world. It's all about evangelisation as well. It's about the relationship between people, the relationship with God, and the relationship with the world in which we live, that we've been gifted with. And it's about how we can proclaim the good news through our care of creation and through our relationship with God and with one another.